Z10 5G. Introducing the Z10 5G. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a device that redefines mobile performance, the Z10 5G. With India's biggest battery, the segment's fastest processor, and a stunning quad-curved AMOLED display, this phone isn't just powerful, it's revolutionary. Key features at a glance. Let's start with the essentials. The Z10 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 platform, ensuring lightning-fast performance. It boasts a massive 7,300 mAh battery with 90W Flashcharge, a vibrant 6.77-inch AMOLED display, and a 50 MP Sony AI camera, all running on the intuitive Funtouch OS 15. Design and display. Elegance meets engineering. The Z10's quad-curved AMOLED display offers immersive visuals with unmatched brightness. Available in Glacier Silver and Stellar Black, it's not just a phone, it's a statement. And despite its power, it maintains a sleek profile and comfortable weight. Performance and power. Under the hood, the Z10 5G is a beast. With up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, multitasking is seamless. The 7,300 mAh battery is the largest ever in an Indian smartphone, and with 90W Flashcharge, you are powered up in minutes. Plus, the in-display fingerprint sensor adds a layer of futuristic convenience. Camera capabilities. Capture brilliance in every frame. The rear camera features a 50 MP Sony IMX882 sensor with optical image stabilization, while the front camera delivers crisp 32 MP selfies. From supermoon mode to Ultra HD document capture, the Z10 adapts to every moment. Configurations and pricing. The Z10 5G comes in 3 configurations to suit your needs. The top-tier 12GB plus 256GB variant is currently priced at 25,999 rupees, down from 29,999 rupees. That's a 13% discount for cutting-edge technology. Why buy Z10 5G? Beyond specs, the Z10 offers unbeatable value. Enjoy exchange offers up to 50,000 rupees, a 15-day price guarantee, no-cost EMI, free shipping, and 24/7 support. It's not just a purchase, it's peace of mind. Technical specifications. Here's a quick look at the tech specs. Dual nano SIMs with full 5G band support, Wi-Fi 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.2, and a suite of sensors for enhanced functionality. The SIR values are well within safe limits, ensuring user safety. In the box and origin, when you unbox the Z10 5G, you'll find everything you need: the handset, charger, USB cable, case, and more. Proudly manufactured in India by Vivo Mobile India Pvt Limited, this device reflects local innovation at its finest. Thank you for your attention. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions you have about the Z10 5G.